Welcome to our weekly episode of the USDJPY currency pair. As all of you guys noticed that gold market is bullish and this pair is trading inversely proportional to the gold market. Now all the major pair are going in the bullish direction, so this pair has ability to go in the further bearish direction. As in the previous scenario, we are saying that market take a pullback from the Elliott wave and going toward that level 134.50 level. So now what happened next? The thing is noticeable that market is break this H4, you can say H4 time frame neckline, and now take a retracement, or you can say bearish movement from this H4 bearish trend channel line. So first of all, now look that how the market move. It's look like that market make a minor double top pattern above the 134.50, you can say resistance level, and then go in the selling direction. Now market in the next week, what will happen in the next week, until the market is holding below the 134.50 level, or you can say EMA 50, or you can say trend line, this H4 trend channel line, the market have ability to go toward the 129.72 level in the next week. And these are the scenarios. How can we generate the 134.50 level? This level is according to the monthly time frame. If you look at the previous market scenario, and that this is the previous market scenario in the 2002. In the 2002 you can say 134.70, or this area is the top of the market candle. So this is now 134.50 is also the top of that area, and market is following that area and going below from that area. Hopefully you guys understand the USDJPY currency pair situation. In the next week trading is you can say trading opportunities are bearish for the USDJPY currency pair, and our next target is 129.72. Hopefully you guys understand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Your continuous support's needed.